The science behind Ekadashi. In the Hindu religion, fasting is not an obligation but a moral and spiritual act where the aim is to purify the body and mind and acquire divine grace. Fasting helps to cleanse and detoxify the body, thereby giving rest to its vital organs. The physiological system may become overworked due to a little overeating or indiscrimination in diet. Thus, the fortnightly Ekadashi fasting gives the system a chance to catch up. We know that the digestive system draws the blood circulation towards the digestive organs. Therefore, blood circulation to the head is decreased once food is taken and we feel sleepy. Thus, observance of Ekadashis help us recharge our brain and mind, keeping us more alert, sharp, focused and more aware. Ekadashi is the 11th day of the moon cycle, both from the full moon and from the new moon. In Sanskritam, Ekadashi stands for 11. As per Hindu calendar, it is the 11th lunar day of Shukla Paksha and Krishna Paksha. It's dedicated to Lord Vishnu. In both Hinduism and Jainism, it's a day for the spiritual observance. Devotees observe it by keeping a partial or complete or nirjala without water fast. According to modern science, the air pressure on our planet varies to extreme limits on both the new moon, that is Amavasya, and the full moon, that is Purnima day. This is because of the orbital path combination of the Sun, Moon and Earth. It is believed that the change occurs in the nature of the tidal waves on the new moon and full moon days. The waves are very high and rough, but from the next day onwards, the waves become calm, an indication that the pressure has also receded. To avoid all these complications, it's important to clean our digestive system on every 11th day of lunar cycle. This helps our digestive system to clean up all the food and mess in our body. That is why fasting is done on Ekadashi, and it is also a better idea to fast at least once in 15 days to keep our digestive system perfect. The fortnightly Ekadashi fasting, accompanied with healthy eating, improves insulin responsiveness, lowers blood cholesterol, and prolongs lifespan. It helps improve the mental stability of people suffering from anxiety and depression. It also detoxifies the body, cleanses the blood, and improves the functioning of kidneys and liver. It is amazing how the ancient Vedic Indians devised this method to keep ourselves fit and free from all negative influences. Mostly people fear that by fasting one will become weak. Such a fear is not genuine. A day's fast gives rest to the machinery of stomach and thereby helps it to function better in the future. Not only that, the undigested food material gets proper opportunity for its further digestion, but also by fasting, the digestive power increases. Better assimilation of food takes place, helping in more production of blood and other necessary chemicals, and thereby helping better health and better nutritional effects. It is both a good measure for would-be stomach problems and a cure for a number of ailments. It helps better functioning of the liver, pancreas, intestines and kidney, etc., thereby reducing the chance of any ailment relating to these organs. It has been experimentally seen that manic depressive patients get cured by such systematic fasts, and many abnormalities of the mind which mostly the people of the modern world suffer from today will get reduced. Excessive sexual excitement, anger, irritation, fear, greed and passion also gets sublimated by these fasts. Even hypertension can be controlled efficiently with the help of Ekadashi fast. Vaikuntha Ekadashi is one of the important and auspicious days for Hindus. It is dedicated to Vishnu. It occurs in the Hindu calendar in the month of Margashirsha, between December and January. When observed, it bestows liberation from the cycle of birth and death. In Kerala, it is known as Swargavatil Ekadashi and is of special importance and celebrated on a grand scale. There are usually 24 Ekadashis in a calendar year. Occasionally, there are 2 extra Ekadashis that happen in a leap year. The following Ekadashis are considered to be important: Guruvayur Ekadashi, Tirupayar Ekadashi, Swargavatil Ekadashi. At the Sri Ranganatha temple in Srirangam, Vaikunta Ekadashi lasts for 21 days, which is divided into 2 parts of Pagal Pattu and Rapattu. On the Vaikunta Ekadashi day, the most important event at Srirangam is the Paramapada Vasal, the opening of door to Vaikunta, abode of Sri Hari Vishnu. In 2022, Vaikunta Ekadashi date is 13th January.